Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a pedal, a boutique pedal for less than $30. And you can probably buy a real one, but so this video is for people like me who like to create things, to do DIY stuff. So this video is for people looking to do it as a hobby, not for people who want to make money of it, because you can't, because it's copyright stuff. Okay, so the website I'm going to show you, this excellent one, is Techboard Effects. So this is a blog spot where people upload Vero layouts. So what a Vero is something like this, and so there are like hundreds of layouts here. So if we just go into overdrive, so you can find a lot of pedal layouts, and the community are constantly creating more layouts. So I'm just going to type love pedal, because I'm a fan of love pedal. So like here you have love pedal Lewis, Les Lewis, I don't know. So you here have the layout. So they tell you is 13 by 11s of these rows. So you just place the layouts, and where you can get your layouts, where I get them from, is from this amazing website called Tata Electronics. So they are like a global company, and if you order it, the parts, I find the parts are really cheap. So you order it, and then you can just ship it to your place. So it's going to lock in to show you my previous orders. So it boils down to about 20 to 25 or even $30 per pedal. So this one, my recent one, was I was going to build a phaser and a delay pedal. So like you can order stuff like your true bypass switch, your resistors, capacitors, and your pedal pads. So I'm just going to show you the types of pedal enclosures that you can buy. So this 1590A is the smallest one you can ever have, and the common ones would be 1590B or 125B. So 125B is slightly bigger and taller than the 1590B. And if you're looking to build a big pedal with multiple switches, I recommend this 1590BB. So now I'm going to show you how to design your pedal and then to drill it. So first step, plan up your layout, and you can probably download schematics online, but here we're going to use some masking tape. Excuse me. So masking tape, to tape on your pedal. So go ahead and tape on the top and the sides. So what you want your knobs and your LED light and your true bypass switch, your DC jack, and also your input and output jacks. So right here I'm planning my knobs layout. So this is a pedal with 3 knobs, a bypass switch. So just roughly place them around. So that's the LED holder. For better measurements, accuracy, use a ruler and just measure about 1 centimeter on the sides. And draw a straight line down and across. So there are some people who offer layouts where you can print and stick them onto the pedal, but I'm just going to manually design and measure all the holes. So the 3 knobs are there. And now you can see I put my 9-volt battery there. So in case you want to use a battery, you will want it to fit inside, and you will not want it to move around. So just put it below where your true bypass switch will be. So make sure everything is in the center, so that way it will look nice and proportionate. So the battery fits just nicely below the switch. Now for the LED light, you can put it any way you want, but I like it just below the knobs and in between the knobs and the switch. So do the same thing for the sides. So here I'm measuring the midway point of the height of the pedal. And then draw a line across and plan out your input and your DC jacks. It's about there. That's the input switch, input jack. And now you see I just marked out an X along the markings, and everything's good to go. So now we're going to use the center punch to create a hole, a pre-hole, so that we can drill it more accurately. So just put your center punch and press it down on all your markings, and this creates a small hole in the surface of the metal. Or you can also use a nail and hammer it in, but I got the center punch. And now we're going to drill it, and it'll be good to clamp it to your table. And I don't have a workbench, so this would do. So these are my drill bits, and these are the parts which we will use to test. So start drilling, do it carefully. And aluminum is a soft kind of metal, so it should be relatively straightforward. So I'm using here a step drill bit, and I'm not sure what the sizes are, but it would be good to just test every time you drill bigger. So this is good. Now I'm drilling the foot switch. So this is the biggest hole. I think it's 1/2 inch. The best way would be to use a drill press. So this fits. Yep, so a drill press is more stable and more accurate. But since this is a video to help you to use to use what you have, not to spend a lot of money, so this would make do. So here I'm just testing the fit and just going one step bigger each time. This will be the DC jack, which is also a big one. So take off all your tape, and you see the holes and clean up your mess. That's important too. So now I'm just going to test the fit of the holes. So this is perfect. Okay, so all the components fit. So these are a few other projects in line. So this is a 1590A, it's for a boost pedal. 125B, and the middle is a 1590A. 1590B, sorry. And these are some pedals which I made. And you can check the demos out on my YouTube page. So as you can see, I love making all of these things, and I hope you will too.